Hello again from Falcon in Western Australia. This time I'm trying my hand at baking again. Oh my god, this is amazing. And I'm making a lavender and lemon loaf with lemon glaze. So we want the eggs and sugar in a large bowl. And we're going to give it a bit of a zhuzh. I do believe that they're creamy and pale. Sorry, you've been looking in my sink. I don't know how long that was for. Oh my lord, I'm being challenged over here. Right, okay, so then we want to mix lemon and lavender essential oil into the melted butter. So I have prepared earlier a third of a cup of melted butter, 6 to 8 drops of lemon. So let's just put in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Better to be on the because these oils are really quite tasty. And 1 drop of lavender. Oh my god, that smells so good. Let's just give that a little bit of a mix. So mix the lemon and lavender essential oil into the melted butter. Then add the lemon juice and melted butter and lavender essential oil mix into the egg mixture and mix until the batter is well combined. Right, so we're going to do that. We want the lemon juice. And we're going to mix this up again. So I should have left this plugged in, right? I thought I'd read the recipe. Well, clearly I had not. So here we go again. Sift in the flour. So we want 2 cups of flour or gluten-free flour mix. I'm just using plain today because that's all I have in my cupboard till I go and shop. And the baking powder, which is 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and then mix with an electric mixer until well combined. You can also mix it by hand. First time I've used this sifter. Right, now we are going to plug in the electric mixer again. Oh my god, if I can do this, you guys can do this, that's for sure. Okay, here we go. My trusty rubber scraper, and just do the final bit of mixing with that by hand. Okay, now we want to pour the batter into the prepared tin. Lovely batter. Listen to me sounding like a professional cook. Okay. Just smooth that over. I'll also get all the bits off the scraper, right? Run a knife down the middle of the bread tin lengthwise before baking. So here we go. I just tried that batter. And it is amazing. So running the knife down the length of the bread tin helps to form the split down the centre of the cake and looks better. So, all right, so then we're going to bake that for 35 to 45 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we're going to make the glaze. Making the glaze for the lavender and lemon loaf with lemon glaze, that's what we're doing right now while the loaf is in the oven. So what I've done is I have taken a quarter of a cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, and then instead of sugar I've used maple syrup, so 2 tablespoons, but you could use 2 tablespoons of sugar if you like. You need to put that into both of those into a small saucepan on a low heat. Don't boil it, and stir until just dissolved and removed from heat. Then we want to add the lemon essential oil, which is 4 to 6 drops. So we'll put in 4, because judging by the taste of the batter, the 6 drops in that was enough. 3 and 4. Thank you. And then 1 drop of lavender. Perfect. We're going to mix that. And here we are with the reveal of the, I keep forgetting the name of it, the lavender and lemon loaf with lemon glaze. So I'm just going to take that out. Fork in there. I'm going to pour the glaze over the top. Probably should have left it in the tin. That does look amazing. Really amazing. I've not attempted anything like this before, so this is a big first for me. Anywho, that looks absolutely fantastic. I'm going to let it do its thing, and I'll let you know the verdict. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.